Welcome. If you want to enter app permissions in your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, let's go for the settings. Right here we have to find the applications. Here it is, so enter. And right now click on the right upper corner and click on the permission manager. For example, we can change the location right here. So we can get access to the location for the YouTube. So let's click on the allow while using the application. Then just go back. And also for the camera to enable location tags. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.